201, B.Ed second year 201, Quality and Management of School Education. Some MCQs. Question number 1. Management is simply the process of decision making and control over the action of human beings for the express purpose of attaining predetermined goals. Who has defined this? 4 options are there. Professor A. Dasgupta, second one Lawrence Apley, third one Stanley Vance, and fourth is the Peter Drucker. Correct answer is third, Stanley Vance. Second question. Who gave the 14 principles of management? Options. First, A.H. Maslow. Second, Henry Fayol. Third, Elton Mayo. And 4, M.C. Gregor. The correct answer is Henry Fayol. Second, Henry Fayol. Question number 3. Who wrote the famous book General and Industrial Management? Options are first, Taylor, second, Henry Fayol, third, Kulik, and 4, Bernard. The correct answer is second, Henry Fayol. Now the fourth question. Who defined training as? Training is a short-term process utilizing a systematic and organized procedure by which non-managerial personnel learn technical knowledge, skills for a definite purpose. Options are first one, Edward Flappo, second, J. Bradley, third, John Dewey, and correct answer is the first, Edward Flappo. Now see question number 5. Supervision is to. Options are first, instruct, guide, second, give creative instruction, third, not criticize or find fault in any way, and fourth, all the above. So answer is 4, all the above. Means supervision like that you have to instruct, guide, give creative instructions, and most important fact is that not criticize or find any fault. So question number 5 answer is 4, all the above. Now see question number 6. Which are the types of supervision? Now see options are there. Internal supervision, second one external supervision, third both A and B, and fourth only B. So correct answer is third, both A and B. So types of supervisions are internal supervision and external supervision. Now question number 7. Now supervision relates to the whole teaching learning situation. That is, options are the teachers, the learners, second one, the curriculum, third, the environment, and fourth, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. So supervision relates to the teachers, the learner, the curriculum, and the environment. So option is 4, all of the above. Now question number 8. In SWOT analysis, T means. Options are first one, time, second, threats, third, term plan, and fourth, teaching. So in SWOT analysis, T means second, threats. 9. In total quality management, training class are taken for. Options are first, manager, second, facilitator, third, to develop essential skills for TQM, and fourth, all of the above. The correct option is 4, all of the above. Question number 10. In which styles of leadership all decisions are taken by the leader only? Options are first autocratic, second democratic, third freelance leisure, and fourth all of the above. The correct answer is first autocratic. So in autocratic style, leadership, all decisions are taken by the leader only. Question number 11. Planning, organization, coordination and control are the step of which type of management? Correct options are first one time management, second one event management, third classroom management and fourth management. So correct answer is second event management. In event management, it is most important planning, organization, coordination and control. These are the steps. Now see question number 12. To make a daily planning, weekly plan, annual plan focused on a important task first. Try to concentrate and complete one task at a time. These are the examples of which management? Options are first event management, second time management, third classroom management and fourth choice management. So correct option is second time management. Now see question number 13. A Roman person known as father of quality management. And options are Dr. Joseph Juran, second Peter Drucker, third Fayol and fourth Taylor. So the correct option is a Roman person known as father of quality management is the first one, Dr. Joseph Juran. Question number 14. Who wrote the book The School That I Would Like? Options are first Edmund Blison, second P.C. Rain, third Churchill and fourth Dewey. Correct option is Edmund Blison. First one Edmund Blison. Question number 15. When all furniture broke up, it cannot throw in debris. In which book school have to keep record? So options are first one dead stock register, second clerical department, third science record book and fourth account section. So correct option is the first dead stock register. Question number 16. In which country management is divided between two parts, that is administrative management and operative management? Options are first America, second England, third France and fourth Russia. So correct answer is second England. Question number 17. In 1974, which concept of management is referred by Peter Drucker? Options are first one scientific management, second management based on objective, third event management and fourth classroom management. So correct option is management based on objective. Second option is the correct, management based on objective. Question number 18. Who said that we shape our buildings and ultimately they shape us? Options are first John Dewey, second Rousseau, third Winston Churchill and fourth W.M. Rayburn. So correct option is Winston Churchill, third Winston Churchill. Question number 19. Which are the strategies of in-service teacher education? Options are first face-to-face model, second cascade model, third both A and B and fourth only B. So correct answer is third both A and B. So face-to-face model and cascade model are the strategies of in-service teacher education. Now see question number 20. Museums play a great part in the education of school children as they bring home to them much more than any prosaic lecture the discoveries of the past and various developments that have taken place in many fields of science and technology. Which commission gave this statement? So options are first one University Commission, second Secondary Education Commission, third National Education Policy, and fourth Action Program 1992. So correct option is second Secondary Education Commission. Now see question number 21. Under whose chairmanship Secondary Education Commission formed? Options are first one Dr. Radhakrishnan, second Dr. Lakshman Shastri Mudliar, third Durgabai Deshmukh, and fourth J.P. Naik. So correct answer is Dr. Lakshman Shastri Mudliar. Correct option is second Dr. Lakshman Shastri Mudliar. Question number 22. The headmaster holds the key position in a school as the captain of ship holds the key position on a ship. Whose statement is this? Options are first one Joseph Massey, second Tyndall, third Breville, and fourth W.B. Rabin. So correct answer is 4 W.B. Rabin. W.M. Rabin. Question number 23. In which year State Ministry changed the name of Board of High School and Intermediate Education as CBSE? Options are first 1962, second 1963, third 1964, and fourth 1965. So correct answer is the first. In 1962, State Ministry changed the name of Board of High School and Intermediate Education as CBSE. Question number 24. The process of checking actual performance against the agreed standards or plans with a view to ensuring adequate progress or satisfactory performance means. Options first organization, second controlling, third directing, and fourth planning. So correct answer is second controlling. And the last question number 25. From which book Peter Drucker tried to attract attention towards professional management? Options are first one New Realities, second Principles of Management, third The School That I Would Like, and fourth Philosophical Management. The correct answer is the first New Realities. So in New Realities, in this book, Peter Drucker tried to attract attention towards professional management.